first of all, we need to make a simple plan for our website. So let me give an example that how we can do it. Okay, so if you see here that I just written for you a few steps that you can follow. So first of all, we need to make this Google Doc. Then you need to just write down there the goal and plan. Then you need to just make a list about your competitor. And the next thing, you need to make a list that how many pages you're gonna add in a website and what will be their sections and how it will be, like just write in more detail so that in later when you just start designing, so that you can check it out the list and you can start the design. Okay, so I'm going to show you that step by step. Let me go back first. And as you can see, I just make a Google Doc folder for you. So in later, if you need it, then you can get this access. I will give you the link. And this is the Google Doc file I just create. So the first thing, as you can see, I just make my goal in here. So I just write one line. In your case, you can write more details. Why I'm saying more details, because if you write down more details about that, then when we use AI tools for that, it's gonna be they're gonna give us an idea or suggestions to make it improvement. Okay, so that's why I'm saying to you that write down as much as possible in here. So make sure you just write your goal and your plan, like these type of stuff you can write down here. So if you see the next line, I just do one thing, because mostly what happened, mostly people saying that if you recurring your customer, that would be more better. Let's say every single time customer acquisition, it's really painful and expensive, right? So I just make a plan that. So first of all, I'm gonna offer free courses. So first I will offer free courses. People gonna enroll that, people gonna check it out, and with their email, I'm gonna start marketing. And I'm gonna also post them to, let's say, enroll my paid courses, and then I'm gonna suggest more few courses, or let's say some add-ons. I'm gonna try to cross-selling after this. So this is my simple hook. This is my plan about here. The second thing is I just need to write down here my competitors, but unfortunately I don't have any competitors right now, so I don't have. So what I do, I mainly take this idea like this one. I think we are gonna do the kind of similar thing. So I can take idea from Dhruv Academy. So this is the home page. I can do the same thing, and this is mainly in a landing page idea. So I can take idea from this website. So let me note it down here. Also, one thing I can do, let me just make it normal. And the next thing I can do, I can go with Flex Academy, what's called Flex Academy. So I can take idea from their website also, because they are doing the same thing. Most of them have a content creator, so I can also follow them. So yeah, here is the second thing. So this is the two website. I just note it down. So in later, if I need any idea, or let's say if I need anything, then I can directly use their existing landing page, because they're right now huge follower, right? And this is something that prove that they are getting success from that. So that's why I'm thinking, as it's starting, we don't need to spend much time on brainstorming. What you can do, we can simply take the idea from their landing page, take the idea from their course landing page, and build our own. Just do the little bit customization on there. So then I just make the plan of these pages. So I just wrote down 2 pages. I mean, right now I just write down 2 pages. One is home page, another is course landing page. This is the 2 pages I need to design right now. And rest of the pages, let's say checkout page, then let's say payment page, or any other pages, my account page, all of these will be coming from our LMS plugin. So we don't need to worry about these pages. Okay, so we just need to worry about which page we're just gonna customly design myself. So these 2 pages we need to design. So that's why I just write on here. So this is mainly the plan that inside of the page, how many section will be there. So this is the home page, and this is my plan about that. Let me show you what I do. This is going to be a hero section, and if you go to this website, and you will get to see this match. This is the hero section. We're going to do something like this, or let's say like this, right? Okay, let me go back. We're going to do something like this. Okay, and then process of 3-step, popular courses, new courses, review, and CTA like this. And this is my course landing page, where will be hero section. Are you this? I personally like their idea. If you go to any of these courses, let's say Figma for web design. So as you can see, first of all, they're just talking about the problem people, right? Then if your answer is yes, so I personally like it. So that's why I follow that structure and just write down the section like this way. So I hope guys now we get a clear idea that how we can just make a plan about our website and how we can make the pages, section, links, and how we can get inspiration. I hope you get a clear idea. If you don't understand, let me repeat again. First of all, make a Google Doc like this, right? And then just write down which type of academy you're just going to make. Just write down as much as possible details in here in the section, right? Then type here your plan, that how you're gonna do more, right? And then try to finding out some of the competitors. If you not get any competitors, then try to finding out like some of them like you, they are doing the same thing. Just copy their website link and paste it down here. And the next, you need to just make a list that how many pages you're gonna make. Then inside of the page, what are you gonna contain, right? Then just make over like this type of plan, that how many section will be there, and try to write down more details, because at the next we're gonna create the wireframe, we're gonna design the website using Figma, so that time it's gonna be needed. So that's why we are doing this thing as a starting. That's save out.